Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the first impressions of the much anticipated Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. This powerhouse of a phone has just been announced and we've got the scoop on its specs and features. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. So let's get it started. First up, the Huawei P70 Ultra boasts a sleek design with its glass fronts, aluminum frame, and a unique silicone polymer back that mimics eco leather. It's got a premium feel, weighing in at 226 grams and measures 8.4 mm in thickness. Plus, it's IP68 dust and water resistant, so it's durable and it's stylish. Moving on to the display, the Pura 70 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO OLED screen, second generation Kunlun glass, with a resolution of 1260 by 2844 pixels. That's about 460 ppi for crystal clear images. And with a peak brightness of 2500 nits, this display is ready to shine even in the brightest condition. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth scrolling and responsive touch experience. Under the hood, the Pura 70 Ultra is powered by the Harmony OS 4.2 and houses the high silicon Kirin 9010 chipset with 16GB of RAM and options for 512GB or 1TB of internal storage. This phone is a beast in performance. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the Pura 70 Ultra can handle it all with ease. Now let's talk about the cameras, which are the main highlights of this device. The main camera setup includes a triple array with a 50MP main lens, a 1-inch sensor Sony IMX989 with physical aperture, sensor shift OIS and retractable lens, a 50MP telephoto with OIS and 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40MP ultra-wide lens. The camera system is capable of 4K video recording and features like sensor shift OIS and laser autofocus. For all the selfie lovers, there is a 13MP ultra-wide front camera that also supports high dynamic range. Battery life won't be an issue, with its large 5200 mAh capacity, and when you need to juice up, the Pura 70 Ultra supports 100 watts wired and 80 watts wireless charging, getting you back in action in no time. Other notable features include stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint scanner, and a range of sensors to keep everything running smoothly. Unfortunately, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack, but that's becoming a common trend in flagship phones. Now here is my final verdict. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is shaping up to be a strong contender in the smartphone market. With its robust build, impressive display, and powerful internals, it's sure to attract tech enthusiasts and power users alike. So stay tuned for my full review where I'll put the Pura 70 Ultra through its paces. Alright, that's all for our first look at the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, peace out.